Logging is a dangerous and demanding industry, but it is also essential for our way of life. Wood is used to build our homes, make our furniture, and produce paper and other products. Without loggers, we would not have many of the things we rely on every day. This video will take you on a tour of some of the most amazing machines and heavy machinery used in the logging industry. From towering feller bunchers to massive debarkers, these machines are marvels of modern engineering. The Valmet 911.3 is a harvester that can fell, delimb, and cut trees to length in one pass. It is equipped with a powerful engine and a massive felling head that can cut trees up to 28 inches in diameter. The 911.3 can also work in steep and difficult terrain, making it an ideal machine for harvesting timber in remote areas. The Timberjack 1270 feller buncher is one of the largest and most powerful feller bunchers on the market. It is equipped with a 400 horsepower engine and a felling head that can cut trees up to 36 inches in diameter. The 1270 feller buncher is designed for heavy-duty logging operations, and it can fell and process up to 20 trees per minute. The Timberjack 1270 feller buncher has a reach of up to 33 feet, allowing it to fell trees that are difficult or impossible to reach with smaller machines. The John Deere 843L grapple skidder is used to transport logs from the forest to the mill. It is equipped with a powerful engine and a large grapple that can carry up to 15 tons of logs at a time. The 843L grapple skidder is also designed to handle rough terrain, making it an ideal machine for logging in remote areas. The John Deere 843L grapple skidder has a top speed of 25 miles per hour. The Wood-Mizer LT70 wideband is a portable sawmill that can be used to saw logs into lumber. It is equipped with a powerful engine and a wideband saw head that can cut logs up to 36 inches in diameter. The LT70 wideband is a versatile sawmill that can be used to produce a wide variety of lumber products, including boards, beams, and siding. The Wood-Mizer LT70 wideband can saw up to 100 board feet of lumber per hour. The Lucas Mill is a portable sawmill that is designed to be used by small-scale sawmillers and hobbyists. It is equipped with a smaller engine and saw head than the Wood-Mizer LT70 wideband, but it is also more affordable and easier to use. The Lucas Mill is a great option for people who want to saw their own lumber for personal use or small-scale projects. The Norwood Lumbermate Pro is another portable sawmill that is designed for small-scale sawmillers and hobbyists. It is similar to the Lucas Mill in terms of size and capacity, but it has some additional features, such as a hydraulic log loader and a power feed system. The Norwood Lumbermate Pro is a good option for people who want a more powerful and versatile portable sawmill than the Lucas Mill. The Peterson Pacific 4800 drum chipper is a massive machine that is used to chip wood into small pieces. It is equipped with a large drum that contains multiple knives. The drum rotates at a high speed, and the knives chop the wood into chips that are about the size of a quarter. The chips are then used to produce paper, biofuels, and other products. The Peterson Pacific 4800 drum chipper can chip up to 100 tons of wood per hour. The Brunette 4800 ring debarker is a machine that is used to remove the bark from logs. It is equipped with a large rotating ring that is covered with sharp teeth. The logs are fed through the ring, and the teeth remove the bark. The debarking process helps to prevent the spread of pests and diseases, and it also makes the wood easier to process. The Woodmiser LT40 is a portable sawmill that is designed for small-scale sawmillers and hobbyists. It is similar to the Lucas Mill and Norwood Lumbermate Pro in terms of size and capacity, but it has some additional features, such as a hydraulic log loader and a power feed system. The Woodmiser LT40 is a good option for people who want a powerful and versatile portable sawmill that is also affordable.
Greenworks 80 volts. Let's explore the Greenworks 80 volts chainsaw, a powerful addition to the realm of cordless outdoor equipment. Fueled by an 80 volts Lion battery, it rivals the performance of gas equivalents without the noise and fumes. It's equipped with a robust 18-inch bar and chain, tackling thicker logs with ease. Notably, the brushless motor enhances its reliability and delivers up to 30% more torque for superior cutting performance. The tool-free chain tensioning allows for quick adjustments on the fly. With the Greenworks 80 volts chainsaw, power and convenience go hand in hand, revolutionizing the way you approach yard work. Husqvarna 3120 XP. Finally, let's turn to the Husqvarna 3120 XP chainsaw, a real titan in its class. Propelled by a powerful 8.4 horsepower engine, it effortlessly tackles the most demanding jobs. Its distinguishing feature is the Smart Start technology, ensuring smooth, efficient starts every time. The 3120 XP's 42-inch bar delivers precision on large diameter cuts, while the adjustable oil pump allows control of oil flow depending on application and weather. Even with its power, user comfort isn't compromised, thanks to low vibration dampeners. Husqvarna's 3120 XP chainsaw truly embodies the blend of power, efficiency, and user-centric design. Binford. Stepping into the spotlight now is the Binford chainsaw, a solid addition to any tool shed. Driven by a powerful motor, it efficiently slices through even the toughest timber. Its sturdy bar and high-grade chain ensure clean, precision cuts every time. What sets the Binford chainsaw apart is its user-friendly design. The adjustable chain tensioning system allows for quick tweaks on the job, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable, fatigue-free use. Safety features such as a chain brake and handguard offer added protection. In the Binford chainsaw, efficiency, user comfort, and safety harmoniously come together to create a reliable tool for rigorous yard work. Powered Hot Saw V8. For the grand finale, let's review the Hot Saw V8 chainsaw. This is no ordinary tool. It's a spectacle of raw power, packing a V8 engine that transforms timber work into a thrilling experience. Its roaring 60-inch bar swiftly conquers even the most challenging cuts. Despite its beastly strength, it maintains a refined control system, allowing precise handling. The chainsaw's unique cooling system keeps the monstrous engine at optimum temperature, preventing overheating during intense sessions. The Hot Saw V8 chainsaw is more than a chainsaw. It's an example of how extreme engineering can bring about extraordinary capabilities in outdoor power equipment. The log loader is a powerful machine used to load logs onto trucks or into processing facilities. It's often used in conjunction with other machines, such as the Woodworking takes numerous forms across the globe, including the operation of forestry mulchers like the FTX 200, a product of the S-based company Feekin. This versatile machinery can function in varying weather conditions throughout the year, be it in scorching heat, snow, or rain, to perform either complete or selective cutting. It exhibits impressive mobility, capable of reaching inaccessible and challenging terrains. This machine is a forceful clearing tool that practically demolishes any wood that comes its way, irrespective of the species or trunk diameter. Here's an additional piece of equipment engineered for field work. Rather than displaying the entire machine, we're focusing on a specific attachment that's typically used alongside an excavator. However, the model we're highlighting, the Timberline Tree Shear, is more suitable for a mini loader. This attachment is a product of Sydney manufacturing and is praised for its versatility. For instance, with this shear, you can chop down a tree trunk, flip it over, and even saw it into several pieces. The Timberline Tree Shear is an enhanced version of a prior similar model. It boasts a 20 to 40% increase in cutting power compared to rival models, leading to heightened productivity. But that's not its only selling point. Professionals highly favor this model for its swivel feature, which allows the shear to be rotated in either direction, expanding the scope for cutting and moving operations. The Timberline Tree Shear can manage hardwood trees with a diameter of up to 15 centimeters. When dealing with coniferous trees, the diameter limit increases. Generally, the shear can open wide enough to encircle a 55 centimeters trunk. However, the manufacturer emphasizes that the final outcome will depend on the specific tree species. If you're still manually chopping firewood, you might want to consider investing in the equipment we're showcasing today. The contemporary market offers a vast array of firewood splitter models, but we're spotlighting the machinery produced by Bosch, Austria. The first model is the Spaltfix S377 multi, which is robust yet straightforward to handle. Both log feeding and the cutting process are joystick controlled. The machine completes an entire cutting cycle and can handle large, lengthy tree trunks. An integrated circular saw slices the log into sections, which are then forced through metal grates to split the trunk, producing Ria-D2's firewood. The split logs are then moved via a conveyor belt into a storage and transportation container. The Spaltfix S377 multi can process logs from 10 to 37 centimeters in diameter, handling any species with a force of up to 15 tons. In contrast, the Poly-Horizontal Wood Splitter, a new model this fall, boasts a more compact size, making it ideal for private use. Though it may not operate at top speed, this is hardly a shortcoming. The Poly works with pre-sawn trunk sections, using a force of 8 tons to push the wood through the grit, effectively splitting the material. The operation speed is adjustable, but it's worth noting that the trunk diameter must not exceed 40 centimeters. The Bosch Spaltfix State is a powerful log splitter designed for efficiently splitting firewood and large logs. Manufactured by Bosch, a renowned company in the forestry and woodworking industry, the Spaltfix State is known for its reliability, durability, and high-performance capabilities. The Spaltfix State features a user-friendly design that promotes safe and efficient operation. It incorporates safety features such as two-hand control and a protective guard to prevent accidental injuries during the splitting process. The log splitter is designed to prioritize user safety without compromising performance. With its compact and portable design, the Spaltfix State can be easily transported to different locations, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. The log splitter is often powered by a reliable electric motor or a gasoline engine, ensuring consistent power and performance. In front of you is another specialized attachment, this time intended for use with a large excavator. The model, known as C350, is a product of the Austrian manufacturer, Westtech Woodcracker. This device is ideal for tree and bush felling and removal. The design is both unique and multifunctional, capable of handling a broad range of tasks. For instance, the claw can fell a single large, thick tree, or, alternatively, the metal claws can simultaneously fell multiple smaller trunks. It's worth noting that the claw comprises several components. The first is the metal claw, which grasps the tree, followed by a supremely powerful cutting mechanism located slightly below. Optionally, the device can be equipped with an additional accumulation claw to deal with small-sized timber, thereby enhancing timber handling efficiency. Generally, the C-Series comprises a range of grippers, with the C350 positioned in the middle in terms of capacity. It can process timber with diameters ranging from 35 to 40 centimeters, depending on the species. But what is the purpose of these machines? Beyond standard tree felling, they assist in roadside landscaping, cutting and removal of trees and shrubs, and can also prove useful in plantations of fast-growing trees. The Super Brush is a machine used for creating a unique texture on wooden boards, as well as for removing small defects, grinding, smoothing edges, and performing similar tasks efficiently and with high quality. This machine offers several notable advantages. Firstly, it is affordable and comes with infinitely variable speed control for both the brushes and conveyors. Secondly, changing the brushes typically takes no more than 15 minutes. Thirdly, it operates at a realistic machining speed of up to 9 meters per minute. Additionally, the manufacturer highlights that the machine can be configured to work with plastic workpieces. The Super Brush is available in various sizes and is known for its user-friendly control system. An added bonus, it features a built-in digital readout system that displays different data about the workpiece after each pass, providing valuable information for the user. The Morkbark PSP Pole Peeler is a specialized machine designed for efficiently peeling poles and posts used in various applications such as construction, fencing, and utility work. The PSP Pole Peeler utilizes a robust peeling mechanism that effectively removes the bark from poles of different sizes and lengths. The machine is equipped with sharp blades or cutters that rotate against the surface of the pole, ensuring precise and consistent peeling results. One of the key advantages of the Morkbark PSP Pole Peeler is its versatility. The machine is adjustable, allowing operators to set the desired peeling depth and speed, ensuring optimal results for different types of wood. The Ledinic Polypress is a remarkable achievement in automation, as acknowledged by its developers. This press allows for the production of curved wooden beams using a one-beam per batch approach. The press offers a variable width ranging from 200 to 2,500 millimeters and lengths ranging from 2.2 to 30 meters. Thanks to the ingenuity of engineers, the operation of the press requires only one operator. The abundance of precise adjustments enables swift readjustment of the press as needed. Notable features include a pressure shoe and a hydraulic loading system that distinguishes it from the hydraulic feeding system. The press is equipped with short-stroke hydraulic cylinders, facilitating efficient operation. Additionally, the emptying process is automated for ease of use. The modular design of the press allows for further customization to accommodate specific orders. Tapcom continues to make waves in the market with its innovative portable miter saw. This saw offers a perfect balance of ergonomic design and high performance, ensuring that operators experience less fatigue during operation. With its successful mass production, Tapcom provides a wide range of options to cater to the specific needs of each customer. One notable model is the Clingy 84, equipped with a 10-horsepower engine. It delivers precise and swift cross-cutting, making it ideal for various cutting tasks. The saw has a length of 1.7 meters and weighs 230 kilograms, ensuring easy handling. Its integrated wheels and electric motor further enhance its maneuverability. The Tepcom saw is not only efficient but also user-friendly. The chain requires minimal maintenance and is self-lubricating. Changing the chain is a quick and effortless process. Additionally, the saw boasts low power consumption, making it a delight to use. The Raver-type 750/40x200 is a versatile machine developed by a Slavic collective. It can be used independently or integrated into automated production lines. In its second configuration, the machine is capable of cutting materials with thicknesses ranging from 40 to 200 mm and heights between 800 and 900 mm. With a powerful main motor of up to 55 kW, it enables the installation of up to 10 circular saws on each side, offering a total of 20 saws for efficient cutting. The machine features a conveyor belt for efficient disposal of sawdust, and customers have the option to include a sawdust conveyor system as an additional feature. This comprehensive setup provides an excellent solution for cutting various types of wood into precise sawn timber. The PrimeTech PT600 is a specialized forestry machine designed for the removal of trees and other large vegetation. Equipped with a powerful engine and a heavy-duty mulching head, the PT600 can quickly and efficiently shred trees and brush up to 23 inches in diameter. The machine is designed for use in rough terrain and difficult conditions, with features such as wide tracks and a low center of gravity for improved stability. It also features an advanced cooling system to prevent overheating, even in hot and dusty environments. The PrimeTech PT600 is an environmentally friendly solution for tree removal, as it eliminates the need for chemicals and other harmful methods. It also leaves behind a layer of mulch, which helps to prevent erosion and improve soil quality. The Halverson HWP120 attachment is compatible with various machines, including mini excavators, and it offers a swift method of cutting up to 1/2 cords of wood per hour. For those who own a wood boiler and undertake the task of cutting and splitting wood themselves, this tool proves to be an efficient wood cutting and splitting solution. The Halverson HWP120 can perform the entire process of lifting, cutting, and splitting wood, all from the safety of the operator's cab. This makes it a one-man operation, allowing for greater convenience and ease of use. Forestry specialists find the Marshall tree saw intriguing for several reasons. Its standout feature is its remarkable versatility, allowing for efficient sawing and clearing without encountering obstacles like rocks or dirt. Among its various models, the 1600 version has gained significant acclaim from its creators. This hydraulic variant boasts a circular saw with a sizable 41 cm blade. With such capabilities, it enables operators to fell hundreds of trees per hour, making the process both faster and safer. Moreover, the hydraulic system allows for work below ground level, proving especially advantageous when dealing with large trees. In addition to its exceptional performance, the saw is easy to maneuver around the site and can be mounted on a wide range of loaders, including renowned brands like John Deere.
Comptech Chippo 8010C. Similar to how our previous machine handled firewood production with precision, the Comptech Chippo 8010C takes on the task of creating high-quality wood chips from logs, branches, and stumps. Capable of accommodating logs up to 750 millimeters in diameter, it churns out up to 320 cubic meters of chips per hour. The Chippo 8010C, with its powerful 780 horsepower diesel engine, simplifies the loading process with a long, wide feed table and horizontal and vertical feed rollers. These facilitate an even and precise chipping process. While its applications range from landscaping to biomass production, its safety system matches the earlier model, halting operations without operator presence. With its precise hydraulic system for easy loading and unloading, and its robust build, The Chipo 8010C excels at efficient, high-volume chipping tasks. Logasol B75. Drawing a parallel with the previous chipper's precision, the Logasol B751 is a band sawmill designed for high precision and easy maintenance. It confidently saws logs up to 750 millimeters in diameter and 4.8 meters in length, powered by a robust 13-horsepower gasoline engine. Standout features of the B751 include a fixed step depth adjustment system for precise cuts and a last cut indicator to recall the previous saw position for reference. Its sturdy construction, a heavy-duty frame to support sizable logs, and a robust arm to reduce vibration ensures smooth cuts. In addition, it comes equipped with a dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean. The B751 offers a powerful and reliable option for those needing to saw large logs efficiently and accurately. It's as easy to use as it is to maintain, ensuring its place in your work routine for years to come. The PS1300. Continuing our exploration, we're now going to delve into a niche yet essential area of the wood industry: pallet recycling. For this task, the PS1300 stands out. Engineered to handle pallets of all sorts, be it wood, plastic, or even metal, this machine ensures nothing goes to waste. Powered by a 24-horsepower electric motor, its compact design and single shaft structure allow for easy maneuvering. It's equipped with a handy magnet that separates metal from your mulch, giving you clean, usable output. Capable of shredding up to 30 pallets per hour, this machine converts waste into fuel or mulch for your garden. And like the beast we talked about earlier, cleanliness isn't an afterthought. It also includes a dust collection system to keep your workspace tidy. If pallet recycling is your focus, the PS1300 is a solid contender. Raver WD1400. As we continue our journey in the world of woodworking, let's consider another crucial step: debarking. The Raver WD1400 excels in this area, being capable of handling logs from 200 to 1500 millimeters in diameter. This diesel-powered 1-ton horsepower behemoth is designed for efficiency. It's fully automatic, picks up, debarks, and unloads logs, all under the watchful eye of an operator comfortably seated in an air-conditioned cabin. This machine ensures even debarking through optical detection, and it also allows for adjustable bark layer thickness. Just like the previous machines we've discussed, it also keeps your workspace clean with a dust collection system. A robust choice for anyone who requires quick, efficient debarking, the WD1400 brings easy operation, low maintenance, and lasting service. Petzolado TB600. Transitioning now from debarking to chipping, we have the Petzolado TB600, a versatile chipper. It's the ideal solution to convert wood chunks, ranging from 300 to 600 millimeters in diameter, into gas vehicle fuel. Working with a 30-ton hydraulic system in a vertical design, wood chunks are manually fed onto a work table, gradually pushed into the hydraulic system, then chopped finely. The result: either it's ready to fuel your gas vehicles or be easily transported in a container. The TB600 stands out for anyone looking to process wood chunks into fuel in an efficient, quick manner. It's easy to operate, low maintenance, and built to endure. Gebavarius Tuzama 2. Moving from chipping to bending wood, let's take a look at the Gebavarius Tuzama 2. A robust wood bending machine, it can transform steam pre-treated wood blanks into various shapes without breakage. It's designed to handle blanks up to 60 millimeters thick and 2,000 millimeters long. The Sawmill 2's strength lies in its two independent gear motors, which ensure smooth and precise bends up to 190 degrees. It's the machine to consider for your regular wood bending needs. Easy to operate, low maintenance, and durability is its hallmark. But let's not forget its features. Weighing in at 1,200 kilograms, it has a footprint of 3 by 2 meters and stands 2.5 meters tall. Vermeer AX19 Brush Chipper. Introducing the Vermeer AX19, a versatile beast in the brush chipping world. It's a portable tool hitched onto a mini loader, ensuring smooth transport to any worksite. Its impressive 150 horsepower engine runs a hydraulic system controlling the feeder, cutter, and conveyor belt, tackling branches up to 10 inches in diameter. Even hefty branches, 55 feet long and weighing up to 5,500 pounds, are no match for the AX19's powerful winch. Choose between the drum-style cutter for moisture-rich branches or the disc-style cutter for dry ones. The conveyor belt's adjustable output allows chipped materials to land where you want: a truck bed, compost, or mulch pile. Neuhauser K+. Concluding our equipment review, let's introduce the Neuhauser K+, the jack of all trades in wood processing. This machine can debark, sharpen, chamfer, and cut both transversely and longitudinally, handling pieces from 30 to 250 millimeters in diameter. The Neuhauser K+ is designed with foldable support legs and brackets to reduce strain on the equipment. An aluminum profile longitudinal stop increases precision during debarking and sawing, ensuring consistent results. With its inbuilt centering device, even curved wood can be split perfectly in the middle, a testament to Dynahammer's thoughtfulness in design.
These are just a few of the amazing machines and heavy machinery that are used in the logging industry. These machines are essential for harvesting timber safely and efficiently. Without them, we would not have the wood that we rely on for so many things in our everyday lives. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through engineering masterpieces. If you were amazed by these machines, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Till next time, stay curious and inspired.